Hello, grade 10 learners! Welcome to our lesson in Arts 10. Today, we will explore technology-based artworks, their roles, functions, and characteristics. Sa panahon ngayon, hindi na lang brush at canvas ang gamit ng ating mga artists. Meron na din tayong computer, digital tools, at internet na tumutulong para makagawa tayo ng iba't ibang anyo ng sining. We will see how modern technology has changed the way we create, view, and understand arts. For this lesson, we're going to discuss the concept that technology is an effective and vibrant tool for empowering a person to express his or her ideas, goals, and advocacies, which elicits immediate action. Explain the role or function of artworks by evaluating their utilization and combination of art elements and principles. We will use artworks to derive the traditions and history of a community and compare the characteristics of artworks in the 21st century. But before we formally proceed, let us have our pre-test. Read carefully the questions below. Write the letter of the correct answer in your notebook in capital letters, no erasure. Bibigyan po kayo ng 5 seconds para sagutin ang bawat katanungan. Good luck! Number 1. What function of art pertains to one's perspective and something humans must do by their very nature and beyond utility? A. Avant-garde, B. Motivated function, C. Communication, or D. Non-motivated function. The correct answer is letter D, non-motivated function. Number 2. Illustrative arts, maps, signages, and directions are example of what motivated function of art? A. Communication, B. Arts for social cause, C. Avant-garde, or D. Arts as free zone. The correct answer is A. Communication. Number 3. What function of art usually raises awareness on the different issues in the surrounding? A. Art as entertainment, B. Art for medical purposes, C. Art for social cause, or D. Art for propaganda and commercialism. The correct answer is C. Art for social cause. Number 4. Matalastas is a specific example of what function of art? A. Art as communication, B. Art for medical purposes, C. Art for entertainment, or D. Art for propaganda. The correct answer is letter A. Art as communication. And last, number 5. Which statement is true about the use of technology-based art in relation to history, culture, and traditions? A. It provides digital visual representations of the past events. B. It gives reason to the major events of the past. C. It works with technology based on history. It uses, or D. It uses digital images of people. The correct answer is A. It provides digital visual representations of the past events. Very good, learners. Sana naka-perfect kayo. Let's proceed na for our lesson for today. These days, modern technology is very fast-paced. Gadgets like mobile phones, tablets, and computers are now part of our daily lives. In art, technology serves as a tool for empowerment. First, it helps in communication, since digital posters, symbols, and signages give important messages. Second, it is accessible to mass consumption, because artworks can easily be shared through social medias. It can be posted or it can be used as advertisements para po makita ng iba pang mga tao. Third, it provides a wider range of art forms, with the help of applications and softwares. And lastly, it is more productive and practical kasi mas konti na yung materials na kakailanganin at yung mga pagkakamali, madali na nating maitatama. Art has two major functions. First is non-motivated, which means art is created without a specific purpose. It is simply created for appreciation, beauty, or expression. While on the other hand, we have motivated art, which is intentional, meaning it serves its purpose, like communication, entertainment, political change, or raising social awareness. In non-motivated art, creation is driven by natural human instinct. First, people create art for harmony, balance, and rhythm, simply to enjoy the beauty. Second, it gives the experience of the mysterious, offering new perspectives. Third, it expresses the artist's imagination through symbols and ideas. And lastly, art also has ritualistic and symbolic functions, like the use of it in our costumes, dances, music, and cultural rituals. For motivated function of art, the artist has specific purpose. First, art is a form of communication. It delivers the meaning and direction. Art serves as entertainment also, which gives joy, relaxation, and emotions through its audience. Art can also be avant-garde or used to bring about political change. Motivated art also includes art as a free zone, encouraging cultural tolerance, activism, and exploration. It can also be used for social causes, gaya ng exhibiting, raising awareness about autism, cancer, or human trafficking. Another important role of art is art for medical purposes, where therapists use art as therapy. And finally, art is also used in propaganda and commercialism, whether to influence people, their opinion, or to promote and sell products. In conclusion, we can say that technology has reshaped the way art is created, shared, and experienced. Art can be both non-motivated and motivated, serving many functions, from self-expression to communication, entertainment, social awareness, and even therapy. Whether traditional or technology-based, art will always be a reflection of human creativity and imagination, showing us that truly creativity has no limit in the digital age. Now that we are done with our discussion on technology-based artworks, let us check your understanding through a short activity. Here's your tasks. Complete the sentence by filling the missing words. You will use the word bank provided. Get your notebook and write only the missing word for each number. Write your answers in capital letters, no erasures. Number 1. Modern blank makes art easier to create, edit, and share online. Number 2. One roll of art is blank, which helps send messages through posters, signs, or maps. Number 3. Artists often use symbols and creativity as a blank of their ideas. Number 4. Art can provide relaxation and fun, which is why it is also used for blank. Number 5. Digital artworks can raise blank about social issues like cancer and autism. And last, number 6. Commercials and ads are examples of blank in art. Great job, learners! I am glad you were able to answer our short activity. Please remember to copy your answers on your notebooks because this will be checked when your teacher collects your notebooks. Now that we are done with our activity, let's move forward to our next discussion. Make sure to listen carefully and take down important notes so you can follow along better. And now, we will explore how modern digital art helps us understand the rich history, culture, and traditions of the Filipino people. Let's discover how technology-based art becomes a bridge between the past and the present. Art is more than just an image. It is a window to the past. Through digital art, history is visualized. Remnants and artifacts come alive. It reveals stories from a long ago. Art also promotes cultural understanding. It helps us connect with the lives of the people and their evolving traditions. At the same time, it shows us social evolution, reflecting changes in politics, society, and the economy throughout our history. Art is also a universal language. It transcends time, culture, and even distance. Na kahit saan man tayo naroroon, art allows us to communicate through images, sounds, and stories. Now, in the digital age, traditional art finds new expression in a wider reach through technology. In the 21st century, artists embrace digital mediums, also known as technology-based art. This includes digital painting, mobile phone art, digital photography, video gaming, and animations. All these forms allow artists to express their moods, their feelings, and creativity in new and exciting ways. Even if art is now digital, it still reflects timeless Filipino themes such as landscapes, people, nature, and social change. These digital artworks echo the traditions and history of our communities. They provide visual information. It serves also as educational tools. It helps preserve ideas and structures and promote our natural beauty and cultural heritage. The history, culture, and traditions are inseparable from our identity as Filipinos. History studies past events and human endeavors. Culture is our way of life, our customs, beliefs, arts, and social groups. And traditions are practices passed down from one generation to another that shape who we are today. One great example of digital art is the vegan heritage in Ilocos Sur. This 16th century Spanish colonial town is beautifully preserved through a digital photography. It is a living remnant of our architectural history, echoing the Spanish era in the Philippines. Another example is the animated film Princess Urduha, created on June 18, 2008. It portrays a legendary heroine from Pangasinan during the Sultanate period. This artwork shows how digital animation can bring our historical figures and traditional society to life. The Ifugao rice terraces, over 2,000 years old, symbolizes the harmony between humans and nature. Through digital art, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is preserved and celebrated as a testament to indigenous knowledge and breathtaking beauty. Digital artists also reflect Filipino life and values. For example, this Laro ng Lahi by Christian Ray Ricars celebrates traditional games like Tumbang Preso and Patintero. Ito po iyon. Laro ng lahi. Nagpapakita ito ng mga laro na ginagawa natin nung tayo ay bata pa. While on the other hand, his digital poster titled We Heal as One represents Filipino courage, resilience, and unity during the pandemic. These works prove that technology-based art continues to honor both tradition and modern struggles. In conclusion, Technology-based art plays a vital role. It is important in unlocking our history and tradition. It helps us peoples to preserve our heritage, communicate our culture, and inspire future generations. Through digital art, we celebrate who we are as Filipinos, the past, our present, and our future. Okay, let's test your understanding of our lesson through a simple activity. Hopefully, wala kayong tanong ha. Kung may tanong po kayo, pwede po kayong mag-message or mag-comment dito sa video na ito. This will be a matching type activity. In column A, you will see examples of technology-based artworks. And in column B, you will see the correct descriptions. Your task is to match the items in column A with the correct answer in column B. Just write the number and the letter of your answer in your notebooks. Remember, answers should be written in capital letters, no erasures, and your notebooks will be collected and checked by your teacher. Take your time, and when you're done, we will proceed on our next discussion, next meeting. Thank you, and God bless everyone. See you!